apples and cherries. Welcome to day 2 for this week. So last week we were looking at 2D and 3D shapes, and this week we have started our 3D shapes, looking more in detail at the different features of them. So by the end of this week we will be able to use accurate mathematical language when we are discussing 2D and 3D shapes. So by the end of the video today, you will be able to name some 3D shapes. Some of you may also be able to talk about the properties of different 3D shapes, and some of you may even be able to compare different 3D shapes. Okay, so on Thursday last week and on Monday this week, I showed you some videos of the cone, sphere, cube and square-based pyramid, and I talked through some of the features of them. I wonder if you can recognise them on this PowerPoint here. So what is this 3D shape? Brilliant, it is a cone. This 3D shape. Fantastic, it's a square-based pyramid. We can say pyramid, but it's best to use the full name, which is the square-based pyramid. This shape. Well done, it's very tricky to see it on a video, but it is a sphere. And this shape is a cube. Well done. So when we were talking about our 2D shapes, we described them as flat. So when we talk about 3D shapes, we can say that they are fat. Who can remember the mathematical name that we can use? Well done. We use the word solid when we talk about 3D shapes. Right then, so let's just recap some of the facts that we can remember about our 3D shapes. What is this 3D shape? Brilliant, it is a cube, isn't it? So let's see what we can remember about them. A cube has 6 square faces and all the faces are the same. So this face here is a square and all the other faces that you'll see are squares. Cubes also have vertices. So these pointy bits here, these are the vertices. Okay, and a cube has 8 of them. So it has 1 here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 at the back that we can't see. Cubes also have 12 edges. So the square faces come together to make the edge, and a cube has 12 of them. So here is the next 3D shape that we looked at, and this is the sphere. Well done. So the sphere. Let's think about the facts that we can remember about a sphere. It has one curved surface. So a sphere doesn't have a face because the face, all of the part of the sphere none of it is flat. So it is called a surface, and we use the word curved to help us describe it. So a sphere has one curved surface. A sphere also has no vertices, so there's no points on here, and a sphere also has no edges. Right then, can you remember what this shape is? Well done, this 3D shape is a cone. Let's think about our facts that we learned about a cone. A cone has a circle base. So the base of the cone is a 2D shape face and it is a circle. A cone also has an apex. So where the faces of the 3D shape come up to the top and make a point, this is called the apex. A cone also has one curved surface. So this bit here that goes all the way around and then gets smaller to make the point at the top, the apex at the top, that cannot be called a face because it is not flat, so it's one curved surface. And down here on the circle base, we'll find the edge of our cone, and this is a curved edge. It has one curved edge. Okay, so this shape here, what's this? Well, I don't know, it's a pyramid. Can you remember the full name? Brilliant. A square-based pyramid. So a square-based pyramid has faces that come up to the top to make the apex. It also has a square base, so it has a face at the bottom of it that is a square, and we call that the base. A square-based pyramid also has 5 vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 at the back that we cannot see. And a square-based pyramid also has 4 triangular faces. So these are the faces that come up from the base to come together at the top to make the apex. And where all the faces join together, the square-based pyramid has 8 edges. So these lines here, these are 8 edges. Fantastic. So your task today is to go on a 3D shape hunt. So last week you went on a 2D shape hunt. Today you're going on a 3D shape hunt. I would like you to look around your home and see if you can find a cube, a cone, a sphere, or a square-based pyramid. Okay, every time you find one of those things, you just pop a line in the box that says tally, and then once you've finished your shape hunt, you can write the number of the shape that you found. You can then challenge yourself to write down what the name of that object was. Okay, it would be a really good discussion as well if you could talk to the people in your home and tell them how you knew a shape was that name shape. So how you knew that the ball that you picked up in your house was a sphere. Okay, I hope you enjoy your shape hunt.